Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows update failed to install with the error code 0x800f0826 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So this error disrupt update installations and may reverse previously made changes during the process, and also indicates that Windows update failed to apply a security update or other patch during its execution. The 0x800f0826 error becomes difficult to resolve because of incorrect update configurations and problem with the registry. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. So here at troubleshoots, under at options, and then you need to select other troubleshooters. And here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update. And on right side, you can see here the run settings, and then you need to click the settings and wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed. So whatever the scan result in here, and then you can see here the problems found with the Windows Update issues detected. If this problem's fixed, and then you need to select yes or no. So if the problem is not yet fixed, and then click no. And also you can view the detailed informations about this issues on Windows Update. So once it's done in here, and then the other solutions we will do is to run the sfc and dsm command. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type cmd, or this is the command prompt. And then you need to right click and then select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. So here at administrator command prompt, and then next step, then we need to enter this command keyword as fc /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. And verifications 100% complete. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type and copy and paste this command keyword dsm /online /cleanup -image /restore health. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command keyword, and then we need to paste in here Ctrl+B, and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And the verifications 100% complete, and the restore operations completed successfully. And then next step, so we need to close this cmd, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart, alright, to fix the error. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x800f0826 failed to install in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.